Hello, my friend. My name is Galit, and welcome back to our creative space. Today, I have another junk journaling process to share with you. So, as usual, I'm starting with choosing the pages I want to decorate. So, before starting the journaling process, I wanted to share with you my nano progress. So, this is my first week. As you see, there are a few greens, some red, and a bit of purple. The first 3 days, I wrote more than I needed. On Wednesday, I didn't write at all, and on Thursday, I wrote less than I needed. On Friday, I didn't write at all, and Saturday, I finished with a bit more writing, but not quite what I needed, so I was a bit behind. And here I'm just writing my total word count for that week, which was 9,000 plus something words, and I'm starting the week 2. So yeah, now I'm choosing the pages I want to work on. At first I'm looking for some stuff that were on my table. This envelope I thought of putting it there on the page or zipping, but at the end I decided not to use that, and as well as this envelope that came with some stickers I bought from eBay a while ago. I still looked for maybe other pages, but at the end I've chosen these. So yeah, I grabbed a big scrap of paper because I wanted to cover the entire thing so I will have lots of journaling space. So I'm just cutting it to size. I'm using some double-sided tape because I want to make a small pocket from that, and it's a hard stock paper, so I needed more glue on it. I wrote something down on this piece of paper and I tucked it inside that pocket. So now I'm gonna glue the entire page. And I really want to use a pocket, so I'm using this D&D map scrap that I have. And again, I'm using the double-sided tape. I'm just cutting it to half so it will be thinner. took this coffee dyed paper that I made, and some pages didn't come out really right, so I'm just using them for scraps. So I'm just cutting a piece of it. I'm using another scrap from my coffee dyed paper. Yeah, I'm sorry for leaving the wipes there, I didn't notice. I really love this scrap of paper, and I mostly love its texture because it's not really smooth, even though it's a bit shiny. So yeah, I'm just gluing the tag. So I ended up sticking the label at the side of the pocket. And now I'm picking it up because I wanted to use this little scrap of fabric that I had, and I wanted to go underneath the label. I'm just smoothing some creases that are on the paper, and now I'm pretty much finished with this bucket, and I wanted to use this cute tag that I made a while ago, and now I'm just distressing the edges a bit. It already looks beautiful. So I'm just thinking how to decorate the other page, and if I wanted to decorate the tipping itself, but I ended up not. I ended up just keeping it the way it was. At first I really wanted to go for my vintage stuff, but they were so frail. I really was scared to use them. So I ended up using this this page from a Cinderella book, and I love the colors of it. It's so beautiful. So yeah. I'm just removing a bit glue that's stuck on the page. And yeah, I love the colors. Now I'm cutting the coffee dyed paper to the size because I really want to show the words as well. So I'm just cutting it to size. I'm just securing a bit of the edges. And yeah, it looks beautiful already. But I still wanted to use some more journaling spots, so I ended up choosing a pocket. And I really wanted to use this yellow pocket, but at first it was too big. So I just cut it to the size that I wanted. These yellow envelopes are so sheer, they're so beautiful. Sadly, I just have only just 1 or 2 of them left. So yeah, at first I really liked this size, but I ended up cutting a bit more because I really want to use the tag and a bit more space to tuck in a few things if I need it. At first I thought trying to use the pinkish envelope, but I decided to still go with the yellow because it did complement the other colors that I had on the other page. I'm just punching half a circle just so it will be more easy to tuck in a few things. And yeah, I really love the yellow and the beige colors and the pinkish colors on this page. So yeah, I'm using double-sided tape because I really wanted to use whatever I can from this envelope. So I ended up getting 2 pockets. I'm securing a piece there because it's really tucks in on the pocket. So yeah, I have this pocket and the back one. I want to use this scrap of paper for journaling if I wanted, and it's very pretty as well, so it ended up very beautiful at the end. Now I'm just thinking if I wanted to put in the quote or stickers first, and I ended up putting the quote that I just had a dream about it, and I also journaled on the tag. And as usual, these days I'm journaling about my mom, how much I miss her, and that I hope that she's proud of me. And I really wanted to use the sticker on the tag as well, so I brought my sticker folder because I really want to use more stickers. I have too many of them and I barely use them. I always hoard them, so it's time that I use it. I really love this cute umbrella because it's already fall and it started to rain a few times, and I love the winter. And yeah, I have this Disney type stickers, and I wanted to use this glass slippers from Cinderella because this page is from Cinderella. And now I'm looking for another sticker, maybe a beautiful butterfly to put on the pocket, and I'm just securing a bit on the page as well with this butterfly. But I'm still missing something on the tag, so I ended up choosing these little diamonds, but it was too shiny, so I ended up distressing it a bit. And I'm writing down the quote now. It's from Dr. Seuss. I really love the outcome. It's so delicate, so beautiful. Everything just connected at the end. I really love this piece of blue fabric, and the quote says, "Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. From Dr. Seuss. It's a beautiful quote, and it's so true. Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. I love the little piece of scrap that has my mom's handwriting on the tag. It makes everything so special. And these pages with the Cinderella page came out beautifully. It's so delicate and colorful. If you like this journaling process video, you might also like this video that is showing on your screen right now. Go check it out, and you can check out the playlist as well. I hope you enjoyed this process video. Feel free to write your thoughts in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!